This week, a super cool guest stepped into our classroom. The one and only Pete the cat. We read all about his awesome adventures, from rocking in our school shoes to singing about 4 groovy buttons.
I'm going to call on each of you, and I want you guys to come up and tell me what's your favorite color. All right?
And we used Pete's adventures to make math extra fun.
So which is everyone's favorite the most? What's the most? Who has the most?
We graphed our favorite buttons to learn about charts and boosted our memory with a cool Meow Match game.
Yay, one last for Hannah. All right, now.
Of course, no Groovy Day is complete without some cool crafts. We loved coloring and cutting our very own Pete the cat. At Yang Fan Preschool, we make every day a groovy adventure in learning.